Thank you for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home. I'm Alexis Lawrence, your adult librarian, and today we're going to make a hexagon popsicle shelf. And if you have watched any of our previous recordings, this kind of goes along with that. We are going to make a shelf for our recycle herb garden that we've kind of done in a couple of videos ago. So we're going to get started. What you're going to use are popsicle sticks. If you want it colored, you're going to need paint or spray from a spray can, or you can use markers, pens, or anything like that to color your popsicle stick. And we're going to need a hot glue gun. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your popsicle sticks, you're going to glue the ends of them. Wonderful. And then you're going to glue them into the shape, or until you get the shape of a hexagon. Spread that out. I think that's good. Get one here. All right. So this is my hexagon here with all the glue pieces. And then we're going to keep adding layers to it. That's just to make the shelf size that you're looking for. For me, I think I used around 15 to 20 layers to get the shelf size that I wanted. But it all depends on how thick your jars are. And I just want you to be mindful, because hot glue guns are very warm and I do not want anyone to burn themselves for using it. But so this is us with a second layer, as you can see there. And then you're going to keep going until you get something that looks like this. And once everything is colored, eventually you'll be able to make a shelf that looks something like that. And you can hang it in your kitchen or dining room. You can put anything else that you want on it, but I needed something obviously to hang the herb gardens that I was working on and some other do-it-yourself videos a while back. So this is what I came up with. So thank you for tuning in for today's edition of What Library at Home, and I hope you tune in or check out some other do-it-yourself videos.